In this video, we will learn how to build like a pro in Fortnite. Building like a pro in Fortnite revolves around two things. Firstly, your keybinds, and secondly, your practice. So the first denominator of keybinds can be solved as soon as you log into the game by just going into your profile section. From here, go to the gear icon. After that, head to the keybinds section, and from the left hand side, click on the building button. After clicking on the building button, you need to see that the four buildings, which are wall, floor, stairs and roof, are on a keybind that is very comfortable to you and you can reach them at any moment of time. After setting them to the most comfortable keybind possible, hit apply and get back to the lobby. Now in order to practice, the best place I would say will be the creative mode, because in creative mode you can have infinite amounts of resources and you can practice as long as you want. So in order to go to the creative mode, all you need to do is from the Buy Epic tab, expand the tab, and in here you will find an option called creative. So just left click on it, click on select. Now click on play button. Now you will be getting into the creative game mode on your own island. So after getting into the creative mode, all you need to do is practice building in here as much as you want and practice different types of build that can help you in game and pin down your opponents. So you can practice various builds like ramping up, which is an extremely useful way to catch up to your opponents. Or you can also try to build the 90s, which is also a perfect way to catch up to your opponents, and various other builds. So by practicing a lot, you can easily master building like a pro in Fortnite and enjoy the game at the fullest. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.